Hi guys, this is Stacy with Fifth Try Charm, and today I'm going to be making a super fun Halloween wreath that I picked up with items I mostly purchased at the Dollar Tree and one item from the Walmart. The total cost of this, all told, was about $8, which I could not believe. It's under $10, and I think it turned out really cute. You'll see at the end on in the final shot how it turned out, and it is so cute. Right now what you see I'm doing is I'm taking strips of black cloth and I'm wrapping it around the wreath wire, which I picked up last year at the dollar store, and I saved it for this year. I didn't get around to making a Halloween wreath last year, even though I intended to, but you know how it goes. So I'm wrapping strips of the black cloth. I got 2 yards of black cloth from the Walmart for $2. If you go into the sewing section, and all the way at the back they have bundles of cloth, which is 2 yards for $2, 3 yards for $3. I didn't see any 1 yard for $1. So, but yeah, $2, and I picked up this black cloth, and I still had a ton left over for my son's Halloween costume, and I'm wrapping the strips of cloth around the wreath wire, which I got at the dollar store for $1, and I only used a little bit of it. I'm deliberately leaving some of the edges ragged because the wreath, you'll see in a second, gets wrapped up with more ribbon from the dollar store. I picked up some orange ribbon and some black ribbon from the Dollar Tree, along with some super cute skulls, plastic skulls, tiny little plastic skulls, which I'm going to be using. The only item I used with this wreath that I did not get at the dollar store or at Walmart was some wreath wire. So if you have some of that handy, you will need that. I suppose you could use a hot glue gun. I'm not sure how that would work out. So that is one item you might want to pick up, the Michaels or the Hobby Lobby or whatever, that you can just get for, I think it's pretty inexpensive, a couple of dollars. And the wreath wire will last like a really long time. So right now I am wrapping the orange ribbon. For some reason it looks super red in this video. I don't know why, but it's a very orange ribbon, and you'll see at the end it is orange. I promise. Trust me, it is orange. And then I'm going to be wrapping some, I believe, more black ribbon, and then some spider webs, and then I'm going to be attaching the little skulls, which I did have to poke holes in the skulls to get the wreath wire through, so I could wire them on. And at the end, I attach a ribbon, which I got from the Dollar Tree last year. So it was $1, but I don't know if they carry it this year. I did see some really cute ribbons that were very similar this year, so you could pick one of those up, and I'm sure the effect would be pretty much the same. Hi guys, here we are at the end. You can pretty much see the end product here. In a second you'll see it hanging on our door. I'm stretching out the spider webs to give a nice ghouly spooky look. And I think this turned out so cute and it was so inexpensive. I couldn't believe it. It has spiders and little skulls and it's just really nice for the season and it won't break the bank to make. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please give a thumbs up if you got some use out of it and subscribe.